Hello everyone. Today we're going to explore how to connect MailerLite to SquareSpace. If you're new to MailerLite, check the description below for a free trial link. For those already on board, simply log in and follow along. First, create a Zapier account to set up the connection between MailerLite and SquareSpace. On your Zapier dashboard, click Create, then select Zaps. If you need help, the Copilot feature can guide you. Next, choose both MailerLite and SquareSpace from the list of available apps. Fill in the required details on the right side of the screen. To link your MailerLite account, click Sign In and log in. Repeat the same step for your SquareSpace account and provide your website's API key when asked. Once connected, configure your settings, click Publish, and you're done. Hopefully this video helps you set up your integration easily. Thanks for watching.